Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a weekend vlog. I'm going to be taking you guys along with me for a couple outings that I had. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Right now, I just got home from work. It's 12:49 and my phone is about to die. So I wanted to do like a little skincare routine. This is not a major skincare routine because I'm just using two products. I'm using the Panaoxyl, and then I'm using this toner from Clean and Clear, just to help with like the dark marks that I have on my skin. And I'm kind of breaking out right here and right here, and then I have like these dark marks right here in the middle of my forehead. So what I do to moisturize my skin is I use this fade cream. It's from Palmer's. It's called Anti-Dark Spot Fade Cream for all skin types. Yeah, so this is what I've been using to kind of help me with the dark marks on my forehead. And then I also used Pond's. I used the blue one that's for dry skin. For the most part, my skin is okay. It's like literally just this part right here that's causing me a little bit of issues. Other than that, I don't have no complaints about my skin. Sometimes I don't even put on lotion. I feel like the more things that you put on your skin, the more it's prone to break out. Like, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I just let it just relax, let it be, let it air out, let it do its own thing. I don't try to put too many things on my skin. Yeah, it's 1:31 right now, so I'm about to just study, and I guess I'll talk to you guys tomorrow in the morning time when I wake up. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And we decided to come to the mall. We're currently at King of Prussia right now. We're just gonna go to Zara, see if we could get a few things. Low-key want to get some jeans, honestly, but I don't know what else I'm thinking about getting, but that's really it. So I guess I'm gonna pick the camera back up once we in Zara, see what I like, see what I'm trying to get, and yeah. So at Zara, I ended up trying on a variety of things. I tried on this leather skirt right here. It was in a size small, but it was super duper big on my waistline area, so I didn't end up getting it. I just ordered it offline because they had it in the extra small. And then these pants were high-waisted, but they were wide-legged at the bottom. They were really cute, but they were just a little bit too tight on my butt area. And then I did get these black jeans. They were in a size 4, super duper cute. These jeans were in a size 2. They hugged my butt so good. Like, they hugged everything super duper well, and I like how the bottom where it flared out is just like a fit that I never had. And then for this set right here, I wasn't too sure if I liked the top with that specific skirt, so I didn't end up getting it. But now that I'm looking at it, I actually like it and I might order it offline. So we decided to go to Forever 21 as well, and I just got some cute studs and some hoops. I got 3 packs of studs and 1 pack of hoop earrings. Forever 21 is definitely the place to go when you're looking for some cute, simple earrings. This was the next day. Me and both of my sisters and my nieces decided to come to Paris Spaghetti just to get some quick breakfast. They have the best pastries ever. So if you're ever in Philly, I actually think they have these in other states as well. But if you ever see a Paris Baguette, you need to go in there. And I also got this caramel latte. It was a hot latte. I got it extra sweet, so they put extra pumps of caramel in it. And when I tell y'all, it was so good. It was amazing. So I highly recommend their pastries. I always get this croissant and it has like this filling in it, and then it has strawberries in it. I don't know what it's called, but you guys are going to see it when I pick it up and put it on my plate. But I highly recommend Paris Baguette. My sister put me on and it's just changed my life for the better. Okay, period. So for the rest of this portion of the vlog, you guys are just going to see me and my friends eating, drinking, having a good time, and that's really it.
Red light, green light. Yeah. Or we can put our hand up. One is for red. No, okay, so green light. One is green light. Yeah, red light. So who wanna do it? Whoever does it first. Then we got stop. And if the person doesn't stop by that time, then they have to. One is stop. So you lost. Oh, no, we got restarting. Okay, 1 is go, 2 is stop. Actually, 2 is stop. No, make your mind up. 2 is stop. Okay, I like it. Oh, this is good. Let me this. That's good. Yeah. Alright, wait. 2 is stop. Okay. Yes, alright. Wait. Wait, I can't take it serious. I can't take it serious. Alright, ready? You're so childish. Alright. Oh, it's such a long story. It's long. I know you gotta finish your drink. No, it's not. No. If it was still, the straw was still in her mouth, yeah, put a thumbs up. And if it wasn't, put a thumbs down. Because she be cheating. I like that. Period. That means I was going to take it. Red light, green light. I can do that. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.